not even just 2010 and 2011, but even before that. Are there things that we have learned? I'm interested both in the Korean perspective on this question and the Chinese perspective on this question. Are there ways we can work together that doesn't jeopardize China's own interests and doesn't jeopardize the interest of others, but can have a positive impact on the things that we're all trying to achieve? We all have common objectives. How can we best achieve those in a concerted way? I'm very interested from my national defense unit because this is as a former military officer,
I probably the economic issue on that.
The good at the company.
Whether the United States can recognize the not DPRK as a nuclear power.
I'm sorry?
So whether the United States can recognize the DPRK as a nuclear power.
Well, why would that be in U.S.'s interest? We're trying to we're trying to find a policy that wouldn't hurt any of our three.
If the United States can recognize the DPRK is a nuclear power, it means that maybe
in exchange for
the DPRKs may. I do not think it will a normal relationship for the both Koreans. I do not think so. If the United States can persuade South Korea to accept this.
Is this something China would be willing to accept?
I don't think China will accept.
Do not
have to accept. China has no ways to. If the United States accept, I don't think China will accept.
I don't think it's politically feasible. I mean, the idea is what can we do within our own sort of domestic and political constraints, and I don't think accepting North Korea as a legitimate nuclear power is something the U.S. can do.
You mean so? What's the pursuit of the DPRKs to have nuclear power?